Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to subtract whole numbers. So, subtraction, there are different phrases which also mean the same thing as subtraction. So, the different phrases which we use in subtraction are as follows. Minus means subtraction. Less means subtraction. Less than means subtraction. The difference between two numbers, it means subtraction. When a number is decreased by, it means subtraction. Subtract from a number means subtraction. So let us look at a few examples in here. And the examples I want to explain are, we'll take some simple examples and then be able to understand this. Let's say we have 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. When we use the phrase minus, this is how we're going to use it in the symbol format. 7 minus 4, the value is going to be equal to 3. Let's take another example. 9 less 5. 9 less 5 means 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Then the next phrase we have is less than. Let us use it in a sentence to be able to subtract a problem. 3 less than 8. 3 less than 8. That means we have 8 and we are subtracting 3 from it. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay? And the other example we have is the difference between. Let us use it to be able to subtract two numbers. The difference between 5 and 2. 5 minus 2. The difference between means subtracting 2 from 5. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then the next one we have is decrease by. Let us say we want to use it in an example. 8 decreased by 5. 8 is decreased by 5. 8 minus 5. That is what it means. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And the last one we have is subtract from. We want to subtract 12 from 15. So 15 is the number we have and we're going to subtract 12 from that. And therefore 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. This is how we can use the subtraction in these different ways. Let us look at an example in here to be able to understand how subtraction is done in whole numbers. Let us say we have an example of this nature. We want to subtract these two numbers. 8, 5, 4 minus 2, 3, 4, 2. 2, 3, 4, 2. So we're going to use our place value chart, line up the numbers in accordance to the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, and then be able to subtract the lower number from the higher number. So let us write these numbers down. 8, 5, 4, and then the second number we have is 2, 3, 4, 2, and then just for us to understand, if I were to draw these lines, and then identify the place value of the numbers given to us, the first one is the ones place, the second one is the tens place, the third one is the hundreds place, and the fourth one is the thousands place. And we are subtracting 2, 3, 4, 2 from 8, 8, 5, 4. 8, 8, 5, 4. So we have now lined up the numbers in accordance to the place value. In the ones place we have 4 and 2. In the tens place we have 5 and 4. In the hundreds place we have 8 and 3. In the thousands place we have 8 and 2. So let's start to subtract these numbers. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, that is in the ones place. 5 minus 4 is in the tens place. 5 minus 4 is 1. And in the hundreds place, we're going to subtract 3 from 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And in the thousands place, we want to subtract 2 from 8. 8 minus 2 is going to be equal to 6. Therefore, when we subtract 2342 from 8854, the value what we get is equal to 6512. 6512. This is our answer. This is the way we're going to subtract whole numbers using the place value chart. In my next presentation, we shall see how to subtract some more whole numbers problems.